So our clients are loving it because we're talking more about recovery and rest and load versus capacity and how to prevent injury, and not only how to prevent injury, but how to move better. So the conversation and culture of our gym is shifting a bit. It's been really frustrating before when someone gets hurt and you don't really know how to help them. And you're just like, and I think as any professional in this space, like you want to figure out a way to get through that frustration. So our members are loving it. If I were talking to myself before this course started, and I was having a hard time deciding if I should sign up, what I would tell myself is it'll be worth every penny. The value you're going to receive is going to exceed what you're paying, and it's going to change your life forever. The reason for that is active life courses are very thorough. They teach you the why, the purpose behind everything. I'm a person who really dislikes arbitrary things or things that don't have a purpose. So when you do this course, you're going to find out why you're doing things, and that'll give you the confidence to be able to communicate that to your members.